Hello, my name is Laura Fulati, and I'm going to show you how to search for a case in Westlaw. So to get to Westlaw, we can start from the Law Library's homepage. Go ahead and select Articles and Legal Databases. Now, as a law student, you have access to the full version of Westlaw. You should have a username and a password that should have been supplied to you during orientation. If you don't remember it or you don't think you got one, please contact the reference librarians. You can stop by the office, call, or email so we can get you set up. So since you do have full access to Westlaw, you want to select the Westlaw link under Password Required. Westlaw Campus, if you notice over here, is a more limited version of the database. But since you have an account, you can go ahead and select this one here. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and need to put in that username and password and sign in. And then you still have to select Westlaw up here at the top. All right, so now we are inside Westlaw. So this is the home page. Just give you a quick overview. We have the search box up here. This is sort of the master search that's on the home page. It searches every type of material within Westlaw, and all those types of materials can be found right here listed in this browse window. So today we're looking at cases, but we could use this search box here to search statutes or administrative decisions, even secondary sources like law review articles or treatises. Right now the search box is set to look for information for material from all jurisdictions, all state and federal jurisdictions. If you wanted to change that, just click the link there. You could limit by state, you could limit by court, by circuit. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as all states, all federal. Okay. So if we want to use the search engine on this homepage, again, we have to remember it's going to be searching everything. So we want to use very specific search terms unless we want to get a ton of results. So this might be a good place to search if you know the citation of the case that you're looking for. So a citation is going to look something like this, right? You're going to have a volume number, a reporter, the federal supplement, and a page number. So even before I finish typing, it's already suggesting which case I might be looking for. And this is, in fact, the one that I'm looking for. You can see the citations right here. It matches what I was searching. To actually view the case, I can just click here or I can run the search. It doesn't matter. It's going to take me to the same place. All right, so we are on the case page. So we could go ahead and read the text here. You could save it to a folder. Westlaw is great about letting you set up different folders for different assignments, different research projects, whatever you want to do. You could email it to yourself, you could print it, download it to your computer, save it to your Dropbox, even upload it to your Kindle if you wanted to read it later. If you're doing research for a faculty member, they might want you to go ahead and download the PDF, the original image of the reporter that it was published in, the print reporter. So it's the scanned page of the print reporter that this case was originally published in. You might need that for law review too. So just remember right here, original image. Okay. Oh, these tabs up here too, so you can get more information about the history of the case, if it had been overturned, or for some reason it wasn't good law anymore, this negative treatment tab would be available, and you could click through that and see. You could see other cases that cited it, or secondary sources, what have you. You can even take notes and annotate the case document itself. All right, but what if you don't actually know the citation? Or what if you have the citation but you're not sure it's correct? So let me just show you real quick what happens if you type in an incorrect citation so you're prepared for it. All right, so already it's looking a little concerning because it's not suggesting any cases that might match. Let's go ahead and search. And instead of taking me directly to a case, it's giving me this sort of messy page of search results. You can see some of these are cases, but I also have statutes and regulations and briefs, all sorts of things. Basically, this is telling us that Westlaw wasn't able to find anything that matched this citation, so it's just grasping at straws, trying to figure out what I might have meant. If you see this screen, you're going to want to take a step back, maybe Google it, see if you can figure out where the typo might be, or try searching for the case in a different way. Let's go back to the homepage. All right, so if you don't know the citation for a case, or you think your citation might be wrong, but say you do know the parties, you can search for cases that way too. You can use the master search box here from the homepage, or if you want to narrow down your search results a little bit, you can go ahead and select cases right here from this browse window. Okay, so now look at the search box here. Instead of searching all content, it's just searching cases. Still doing all state and federal unless I change it, but we're looking at a much narrower slice of the Westlaw database now. So if we go ahead and type in parties, oh, look, see, we're already getting it. So we have 2 cases, but I'm looking for this one from December 2015, so we can go ahead and click on that. Right, and we ended up in the exact same place. So that's just a really brief overview of how to find a case if you know either the citation or the parties. Lots more we can get into, but that's all we're going to look at for right now. Thank you so much for watching.